Hello everyone and welcome, hello Sam here, welcome to a really overdue video. This is my Inktober thingy. I'm really just doing this for my own memory keeping so that I did it. I lost it a bit, I kind of got it back, it wandered off, I grabbed it, I did it badly, and now we're done. So basically I just thought I'd go through the thing and see. Some of these, yeah, I kind of stopped. I was having a bad time, okay, but I had to do it. So there was a couple of days I just banged out 4 or 5 of them and just hoped for the best. One of them took me about 30 seconds and you'll see why. Anyway, from the beginning, right, so the first word was lucky. So we have Lucky. He's not very happy, our poor Lucky. So Lucky goes for, second word, implant. He goes for a smile enhancer because that'll make you happy, won't it? Then what was I going with? The next one was draw. So I guess he was all those horrible, yucky feelings like squeezing your stomach, anxiety, depression, whatever you want to use, is represented by this thing, this snaky thing. So he hides it in a drawer. And he starts getting attention. These other people, they've also had a smile enhancer, varying amounts of them. And so he's getting a bit of attention. But the bad feeling, his depression, his anxiety, it is growing and it's seeping out the drawer because you can't just put these things away in a drawer. No. They still exist. Yeah, what one was this one? This was inlay. So the idea was I did it quite badly, but it's inlaid. Like if you put, wood and it's inlaid in the, yeah, that's what I went with. Next word was inflate. So their heads are getting big. They're ignoring their bad feelings. They're getting attention because they're lovely wide smiles and their heads are inflated and they're floating. They're just floating. I started using this, I missed not using the brown paper for this one. So I started using it basically. The next one is guitar. She's guitar shaped, I guess. Yeah, okay. So this is somebody else who has had the smile enhancer, but she's not happy and she's starting to realise. So she's sitting on her own, shaped like a guitar. Next is advertisement. I can't remember where I got this from or why I did it. But I did. I think it was a subscription box. I can't remember what one it was. Did I do this on a video? Possibly. There's other videos. But yes, buy friend pills here. Happy hour. What is that? Positive eggs. I don't know. Well-being this way. Happy beer here. So yeah, advertisement. The next is existence. I got dark. I don't know. I think I was just faffing about with things, and this is existence. I will leave you to interpret that however way you wish because I can't remember how I did it. Okay, now it starts. Okay, I was a bit down myself. Okay. This is where it really goes off. The next word is lock. It's a lock. You can't deny that that's a lock. A very, very small lock. The next was the word sticky. Now I did do a video of this. I got it a little bit wrong because these are the Stuart Semple white inks and you got 2 versions and you were supposed to see which one you liked the best. Kind of missed that on the first time, but I did another bit. So this is sticky and there's all this sticky stuff sticking them together. And now the next one, oh dear, is rare. So these are all the ones I got, this little smile enhancers. There's our Lucky. I did name the other ones, I can't remember, that's so annoying. This one, a rare one. He's okay. He's accepting his, all the stick is sticking to him. He's accepting a bit of sadness in his life and it's okay because it enhances in a way. Think of Inside Out. There you go. The next word is death. So this is death, everybody. I don't know why, again, and all these stickiness, they stick to him, so I guess it comes to us all. My cat died around this stage. So he's got a net, so instead of a scythe, and he's kind of, a little melancholy, but I hope friendly, and he's got little knobbly knees, so There you go. The next is talk. So this is the rare one, the one who's accepting the way that he feels naturally. Talking to our Lucky. So is this making sense? I've no idea. Next one is no. So now Lucky, he knows. He's starting to understand that these smile enhancers are not going to work for him. They're not going to, you just slap a smile on your face and suddenly everything's fine. No, he has to deal with what he locked in that drawer before. Next is guiltless. It's a cat. I mean, they're guiltless really, aren't they? I'm sure there's a story to all this, and I sort of stopped writing it down as well. Next is Puff. Next is Puff. Oh, she's getting all puffy. That was it. Her face has gone all puffy because the smile enhancers. She's sort of having a bad reaction to them. Next is Notify. It's one of those lip phones. So there's a notification. They let somebody know that, you know, it's not going right. Oh my, this is the word bubble. Okay, again, you cannot deny that's a bubble. Okay, it's a very simple bubble, but it's a bubble. So they were all in their bubble of believing that these smile enhancers would make them feel better and everything was fine now. But no, that bubble will burst. The next inculcate. I can't say it properly. It means to keep going on and on until somebody's learnt something. You try, like with students, you keep going over the same facts to try and teach them it. So I just wrote the word smile 3 times. Okay, I'd really lost it by this stage, but it's still a thing. It still exists. Yeah, no. The next is word tiny. So they're being made tiny by, I don't know, all the darkness coming down on them, and they're just like, these are feeling really little tiny things. So the next was rural. So our Lucky, he wanders off to try, you know, into the countryside away from the big cities to try and find an answer for this. I think this was a box as well, and I cannot remember which one it was, but you've got a bit of colour now at least. And that's, I like the next one. Okay, the next one is the word quack, which I took to mean like, you know, a quack doctor, so he's a duck. I quite like this guy. So he finds this doctor who is a duck, so quack. And the next word is succeed. So he's got the implant out and he's very happy that he has succeeded in his job. So Lucky brings the other two down to the duck so he's bustling around. The next word was bustling. So he's bustling around. You can see I'm trying to rush past this guy. I just wanted this up, so I did it. He's bustling around and taking their other implants out. The next one, I've got it written down over here and I keep looking. I've written it really small. Shatter. Oh dear. Oh, that wasn't Lucky. Oh no, the other guy went to have it done. Right, Lucky, they shatter. They fall from his mouth. He rejects them. His bodies will not take them or accept them, even though he's feeling really bad. The next is regular, and I guess he just feels sort of regular, back to normal. And yeah, regular. The next word is adorable. Look, they're meeting. They've had their smile enhancers taken out, and they're just, you know, dealing with their issues, and they're kind of meeting. He's still a bear, by the way. I don't know why, but he just is. The next is rifle. So she's rifling through this box to try and sort her through. He put them in a drawer, she put stuff in a box. So she's now rifling through a box to see what she can sort out. Next was reaction. So all these people, yeah, I'd really given up. So he's sitting there, he's just kind of a smile. You know, he's coming to terms with his issues and he's just sitting there. He's oohing a bit. With his little, oh, look at his little socks. I like his socks. And all these are people, and they're all walking past and not noticing, but one does. One has a reaction, and you know they've had this weird smile enhancers, hence the weird smile. So they're saying, "Oh, okay, maybe there's another way of being happy." And the last word was straw. So it continues on. It is the last straw, I guess, for some people to reach out for this advert for the smile enhancer. And there you go. That was my 2021 Inktober. I did it. Whether I did it well, that's something else. But I did it, and I'm glad that I did, because I think this year has been weird for all of us, really, hasn't it? But there you go. Thank you very much for watching. If you did, I'll put the word sausages down in the comments if you stuck this long. I'd like to see us. Hey, I can see a string of sausages. Oh dear, the littlest things amuse me. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you would. I'm going to do another video in a bit of my plans for the new year. They're very stupid and I will regret them by the possibly 3rd day of January. But there you go. I'm going to have a concerted effort to keep going and try and better myself with my drawing. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and all that awesome stuff, and I will see you next time. Bye.